Once upon a time, there was a reunion of four friends. They met, ride a bike, visit a different place, take a dinner, and sleep like a bachelors. The discussion started with engineering, college funds, parents, and girls for the marriage because their parents are forced them to settle down with a good and nice girl, and they are deciding to update their profile on the matrimonial site. One day, there was a guy that has no work in the office. They updated his profile on the matrimonial site. He also paid 3,000 bucks for this site. He every day checked the inbox of this site and getting a message rejected, rejected. He feels guilty about this site. Why I pay a 3,000 bucks for this rejected message? One day, there he got a message that hello, I am Khushi. I received your message on this side. You can call me now. The Ravinder is so much happy about this message, and it is a true story of Ravinder Singh. Hello guys, welcome to the channel Connect Nirvana. My name is Devan Solanki, and today I am going to review this book I Too Had a Love Story, written by Ravinder Singh and published by Penguin Metro. Ravinder Singh is written romantic drama books like Can Love Happen Twice or Dreams Are Mine Now, This Love That Feels Right, and it is published by Penguin Metro. Now we are going to brief about this book that the feeling that Ravinder Singh is sharing for the Khushi is so much mesmerized because without seeing her, that is a magical thing that he can do. And one positive note that Khushi is had, she told Ravinder while hanging up a phone telling one positive good note. This thing touched Ravinder completely. The bonding between both of them is so much sensitive that we can feel every touch that is just an imagination of Ravinder Singh for the Khushi. Ravinder Singh is mentioning every small details like Khushi's hair, her attire, her eyes. It is such a good to read. There is one superb dialogue in the book I want to share with you guys. The Khushi is calling to the Ravinder and said, when I'm so angry and just to run away from you, you just came to me and give me a warm tight hug and hold me in your arms for a while. I forgot everything that happened between us. This feeling of the dialogue is cannot describe in the words, guys. I Too Had a Love Story. It's a very gripping story. The different characters are written in the book is so much different to enact. One or two characters are not very well executed in the book also. The plot of the book is superb that everybody can easily attach. From the start to the end, you can attach and you can read every different thing on the different pages. The most important thing is that many authors are right and create adult scene for the creating hyper for this book, but in this book you do not find any kind of this stuff. We are giving a 4 star out of 5. I Too Had a Love Story is a must read book. We are recommending you to read this book. The link in the description below. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and comment below which part do you like the most. And most important thing, we are releasing different book reviews video every week. So don't forget to hit the bell icon. And most important thing, you can follow us on our Instagram and join our readers community. Thanks for the watching.